'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Hello. Hey, Mira.
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
Hello, everybody. How are you?
You did not start the meeting on time. You start the meeting too early.
Yeah, because I don't want you to say me that I'm late. So,
Late last time and then you're early now. You only have
okay.
like a few seconds, like maybe 20 seconds early.
Okay, let me end the meeting and I will connect again after it.
Nah.
Hey, I'm going to give you a link. Sarah, what do you want to do today? If you don't know what to do today, I will give you something to do.
Oh, help me.
Today.
I'm going to give okay, this one I think this is interesting. Okay. This is for Amy. And this is for Sarah. Sarah, I'm going to give you something really, really difficult from last time, okay? We cannot, we can finish this one. Oh, Sarah, have you done? Oh, wait. Core strike done, insert malware. Oh, this one, not that one. Network first. Code and code crackers, medium. No, not that one. Sarah supposed to do wait. Share your screen. Amy. Cyberland.
Done.
Sarah apa ya? Tunggu Sarah. Oh wait.
Or
How about this one? Yay!
what do I do?
Hah? Kok ini linknya? Wait, I think I give you wrong. Oh, this one, the code, the link. Wait.
I think
Supposed to be this one, Amy.
how is that one?
Yeah, the Moana thing. I think Sarah is going to like the Moana challenge.
Moana. What is Moana again?
Huh? Have you haven't you watched Moana?
Oh, Moana. I haven't watched it, but I heard of her. Haha. And then we like, what?
It's loading.
Okay, it's loading. Sarah, try this one. Sarah.
Sarah. My name is Sarah.
Why is it? Wait, this is Disney?
Yes.
You don't know that Moana's from Disney?
You don't like Disney?
Disney, but started liking something else. My big sister still like Disney. It's still loading. This is bad news. You can see in this world.
All right. How about Hugo?
What is that? Who is the Karamani?
Kakamoa.
What is Kamoa?
Kakamoa.
What is that?
The bad one?
Huh?
The one the Kakamora, I think that's the coconuts or the one who sang the song Shine.
I haven't seen Moana. I just know that it's Disney.
I've watched it 2 times already, or 1 time. Yeah, I think it's 1 time or 2 times.
Okay, what rate do you give it to Moana?
2.
Huh? Out of 5 or out of 10?
Out of 10. I don't like wet
That
stuff.
bad? That bad?
Creepy.
Oh my God, that bad?
I
It
never
was like,
I don't like wet stuff. But I do like some parts. Just
all right, all right.
I guess 5, 4. I don't know.
Okay,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da 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 da.
Moana sets out to discover a new world across the sea while facing many challenges, including
Oh.
the cute coconut plant
Kamora.
or maybe cute.
Da 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 da.
What's wrong with Sarah?
I don't know.
In the film, Moana sets out to discover a new
Ooh.
world across the sea while facing many challenges.
Gimana nih?
Oh, that's Kakamora.
Oh, that's Kakamora.
It's what I need.
Is that Moana?
Discovering and
Ini lihat chat.
coding to help defeat the Kakamora on our latest journey.
Oh, Kak Cika mau cari yang waktu itu dikasih ke
The animation
Ford
in our favorite films
Academy.
and TV shows, our world is shaped by code. And through the power of coding, you too can guide your quest.
Oh, my courses. What is
Discover a
that?
master coder in you. So join the village of coders with and some surprise friends in the 2016 Hour of Code. The world's
2016? This is 2022.
2016 was a long time ago. That's like 6 years ago, I think.
Computer science is a part of everyday life, from the cars we drive to the movies we watch. And it's definitely used here at the Disney Consumer Products and Interactive Campus. This next hour, you'll learn some of the basics on how to code using the characters from the movie Moana. Plus, we'll introduce you to some of the professionals who work for the Walt Disney Company that use these concepts every day. Anybody can learn computer science, and we hope you have fun doing the hour of code. Now let's get
Mbak ya, contoh lain berarti
Before you start, let's
okay.
learn how to use the Moana Hour of Code tutorial. Your screen is split into 3 parts. On the left is the Moana game space where the code will run. To complete a puzzle, move Moana and Maui on the square path to reach the circle. The instructions for each level are written above the game space. If you get stuck, reread the instructions and try again.
Hugo.
The area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that Moana and Maui can understand. The blank yellow space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we're going to build our program.
Hugo lihat chat.
There's a number. These are the amount of blocks you need to solve the puzzle. If I drag the move forward block to our workspace, what happens? Moana moves forward 1 block on the grid. And what if I want Moana to do something after the move forward block? I can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the turn left block.
What?
I move forward block until
What
the
is
turn
it?
appears. Then I'll drop
It's
it.
sad, but you may find it easier to sit at a table rather than a desk.
That are stacked top to bottom on our
Should I
workspace.
sit on my table? Or do I change to a table?
Stack and drag it back into the toolbox.
What?
You are talking to Sarah.
Moana back to start. Now, let's get sailing.
Project teacher,
Stupid.
student. I'm going to give Hugo a
What am I gonna do? I was Simba, I was Shenji, and I was Sarabe. Okay.
Oke, Hugo, Kak Cika bikin yang username dulu.
Serafina.
Hugo, Hugo nama lengkap apa, Go? Kak Cika minta nama. Hah, maksudnya lupa. Gigit ya. How can you forget? Oke, Hugo Damar aja ya. Hugo Damar.
After that, Simba and Nala became best friends with the hyenas. But one day, Mufasa's brother Scar will convince the hyenas to not be Simba and Nala's friend. Da da da!
Dong. Kayaknya katanya. Ampun.
Let's edit this. There's bad grammar here. Comma.
Oke.
Dun. Dun. Dun dun dun.
Oke, Hugo. Ya, Hugo udah. Sekarang bantuannya. Sarah, what are you doing? Have you checked up on my link?
Yeah, that is stupid. That's such a change.
Is it easy? Too easy?
I don't even. Okay, so first of all, when I click on the link, it just shows me numbers, blah 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 blah. It says I need to decode this, but I don't know how to decode this. And then it says the key to this elementary, but you may find easier to sit at a table rather than a desk to crack it. So do I move tables? Cause I did a desk. So I moved to a table.
Have you checked? You haven't shared your screen, Sarah.
Do I move to a woohoo, Mom? Did you see something? Hey, look, it's working. Okay. Look over here. It says a key to this elementary. Oops. Let me share the screen again. Over here.
Hugo masuk, Go. Ah, this one. But you may find it easier to sit at a table rather than a desk to crack it. Huh?
So do I change? I'm sitting at a desk.
What does it mean?
Oh
What
no.
does it mean?
I'm gonna
When
write.
you crack the cipher, the plain text will form a question. The solution to the cipher is the answer to that question.
This would be the most
The
easy.
key to this elementary, but you may find it easier to sit at a table rather than a desk to crack it. Oh, understand. Look, this simple substitution where one piece of
Last
data
lesson,
is substituted
lots
by
of
the
loops
other.
and manipulation. In this lesson, you'll learn to use loops to execute the same actions without as much block. Hi, are
Does
you
not make any sense. Ntar dulu. It's supposed to make. It's supposed to.
web engineer, which means that I make websites and mini games for things like Disney.com and StarWars.com. You worked on StarWars.com? That's so cool. When did you become interested in coding? I became interested in coding a long time ago when I realized that coding could be a really cool combination of my two favorite school subjects, which were math and art. Do you think computer science is important? I think computer science is super important. Everything around us has code in it these days. So it's not just computers, it's your phone, it's games, it's even your toaster. So I think it's really important to have an understanding of how everything works around you. And it's also really cool when later you're able to change those things. So what can you tell us about loops? Loops are a way for a computer engineer to shorten the amount of code that they write when they'd like for an event to happen several times. So rather than writing the same line of code over and over again, you could just set that code on repeat until you decide to
Jorok banget nih, bener.
in this lesson, you'll have repeat blocks available to use. This is helpful when you're writing a lot of code because it saves time for you when you're building the code. Making the computer do the repetitive tasks instead of you. To use loops in your job, I
Bayangan
do
itu
every day actually.
akan ada
Earlier,
berapa hal.
make a memory card game where you have the same behavior across all these different ink
Ada
cards.
ini HTML.
Let's see how loops work with Moana and Maui sailing through the next few lessons.
Sama apa lagi? Indeks HTML. Udah ya, cuman itu aja loh. Udah, harusnya tinggal gitu.
Do you know what I wrote?
I know.
I don't understand you. What do you mean by you may find it easier to set a table rather than a desk? That doesn't make
Google
any
nih make me
sense.
smile.
And how am I supposed to know the
Bebas
crack?
lah, kata-katanya terserah
There
Google
is
lah ya.
not even space. Anyways, I'm here to tell you.
Change your...
Okay, I was just supposed to say fix your dialogue. Fix the error in your dialogue. Come on. Now, come on. I don't come a dialogue. Come on. Now I don't know
Gimana sih? Coba.
what the review.
I'm going to try here.
Okay, get a hint.
Where is the
I
link?
said on my table I changed what?
Where is Sarah's link?
Making any sense? Any sense?
Have you clicked on the hint, Sarah?
Yes, and this is what happens.
What? Nothing happens here.
It just highlights it.
Oh, we recommended Chrome to run this game. Will it be different on Chrome?
I don't think so, but I can give it a try.
I'm going to give it a try. Probably on Chrome, it will give us better hints. Probably better. Get a hint?
Debugger.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely nothing.
The key to this is elementary, but you may find to sit at a table. The key, the key to this is elementary. Enggak. The key to this. Enggak.
This is stupid.
Can you solve it, Sarah? This is hard.
Let's see. First of all, what kind of cipher this is?
You
Then
just,
I will don't like this. Something else, please.
it's supposed to, we just every letter will have number representation, Sarah. So when like where is your screen, Sarah? So when you choose,
do something else, please.
yeah. So for the same number, there should be one representation letter. But I don't know how do we guess it if they don't give us any hint whether we are guessing it right or not? How to check?
Move forward, turn left, move.
Okay, let's change.
No.
Okay, let's skip Sarah. Let's skip
Don't
this.
add the turn right. I mean, don't add the turn right. Don't add the turn right. Don't add the turn right.
Okay, let's do something else.
Try to move forward and turn left, but maybe not the turn right. Take away the turn right.
Kita cari something else.
I said take away the turn right.
There.
Okay, you can try that.
Oh.
Okay, now it'll work.
How about this? How about this?
Yay. At work.
Work a neighborhood. Huh? Sarah, do you want to do some data science things?
I want to do some cybersecurity.
Wait.
Wow. How come Ma has, or how come the boy has that knife, but then the girl only has a wooden paddle?
I think I'm going to give you this.
I forgot her
But
name.
you won't like you won't like the start the beginning. Wait.
How come? How do you know?
Yeah. You don't like things with too much too many lines of code. Too obvious code. I think.
What do you mean too obvious code?
I mean if
I need do the same thing, but like
time o'clock. How about this?
don't put two repeat. Okay, you can actually do that. Use two different. Okay. The
What we get
Kakamoshi.
what?
Come on.
Creativity is not the result of arts, but an intrinsic feature of all human activity.
Oh no, I knew it. Okay. You need to turn before you move forward.
Turn before you move forward.
That does not do anything on me. Maybe it does something. It doesn't do anything. Change it to right and change the right to left. Maybe that would work. Wayfinding with code. Yeah! It's working. So it's like before, but just a bit opposite. How come is the boat team so small for two people?
But they fit. They fit into it.
I don't get
Shark
it.
attack.
Oh.
No.
But how come the boat seems so small, especially for the big guy? And then
Hello processing. Coba ya.
how is the bait strong? How is the boat strong enough to hold it all? Move forward on the bottom, the very, very bottom. Try to add move forward on the bottom.
Ah, this one is looking nice.
Maybe not. Maybe yes. I don't know.
Can't put another move.
Login. Taruhin.
Wait, you can.
Gak apa-apa login aja. Ntar. Login. Oh iya, create account aja sayangku.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Iya.
Hmm. Hmm. Yay!
Yeah, I'm looking something for Sarah. Hello processing tidak berhasil. AI webcam image classifier coba ini ya. Hugo aman gak nih? Hugo lagi masukin dataset ya, Go?
Hah?
Hugo lagi masukin dataset. Sebenarnya Hugo make me happy bukan sih?
What?
Are you making the project make me happy? Or something else? Go.
I don't know.
Udah download belum? Tunggu. Sini.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah.
Let me show you. Hugo harus ke sini dulu. Hugo udah download belum worksheet ya?
Oh, and then I mean, you can make the repeat.
You have to download this one.
The thing.
Make me happy.
Okay.
You can put like the
Have you downloaded this?
four.
No.
Download for students. The full version.
So,
Scratch?
Yes.
my year.
Nanti bisa Scratch, bisa Python, terserah. Scratch aja, Go, soalnya biar kelihatan gambarnya lucu deh.
No.
PDF.
Nope.
This is for Sarah.
Making the repeat 4 times.
Sarah, I give you a link. Yes, and
Also,
yes, yes,
second,
yes.
and then repeat 3 times. Block the combines move forward and latency.
Nah, Hugo harus bikin dataset isinya kata-kata baik sama kata-kata bikin orang sedih gitu.
I see.
Ya, Hugo, misalnya I like you, I hate you. Kalau I like you dia senyum, kalau I hate you dia nangis gitu.
Smart. 0 equals black. 255 equals white. I
Mana?
is a machine
Kami
learning
download dulu yang ini tuh mana?
image recognized tool struggles with recognizing differences. What do you think is
Oh.
difficult for I?
Kok bayar? Kok pro sih? Yang Kak Cika nggak pro loh nih.
It starts
Dulu
early.
apa nggak salah ngasih link ya?
When we were infants, we learned to see patterns and colors and shapes
This one
that
is
we
not
recognize
for-
them there. We can start to get good at predicting based on what we already have seen. AI prediction. Good at
Gitu
predicting. And AI needs to see lots of examples.
Ya.
Try that in the next step. Add 10
Ah,
images to
go.
class.
Nah, sekarang masuk situ.
Other
Go.
images to
Make
class.
me happy, pilih teks.
And
Terus go tambahin
each
datasetnya
should have a
2.
different object.
Satu
If possible, try to use each
kata-kata bagus, satu kata-kata
backgrounds.
yang tidak terlalu bagus. Tidak terlalu bagus.
Okay, let's add a blurry background here. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Well, okay. Add 10 images. 1. Oh.
Who's disconnected? Voice is disconnected.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
Training.
The
Class
boat
1.
Wayfinder's instruction.
Eh.
Why Kakamora escape?
Look at my screen.
Okay, let me check.
Okay, no.
Okay. So, what do you want to classify? Happy faces and sad face or what? Kok Hugo putus ya?
How well did AI recognize your images? Let's explore some ways to improve the prediction. Bias in training data. Ultimately, the AI or machine learning tool
Mana
is
mau
only as good as the provided training data. Sometimes the data has
Amy cannot decide.
types of data bias, not enough data. Lots of data is needed for training. Too little cause predictability problems. For example, 10 images may not be enough. If the training data only contains examples of the same type, then it will only narrow predict the exact type of the image. Data isn't clear. The training data must be of the best quality possible so they can provide a clear representation. Ready to code? Let's build this AI tool together using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Oh my goodness. Now what do I write? It doesn't say anything.
I don't know. I
So,
tried.
just choose one, Amy. Probably Maui. Maui is stronger, I think. It's bigger.
But in the movie, it was Moana.
Maui is obese.
Okay, Hugo. Hugo, which one, Moana or Maui?
Moana.
Maui has the experience.
Oh, Maui has the experience, says Hugo, but Sarah said Moana.
Technically speaking,
Moana is
Maui is the better option.
Maui,
since
Maui, Maui,
Maui.
Maui, Maui, Maui.
because
Maui has a weapon. Maui has a weapon.
and you go like, no.
Maui has a weapon, said Hugo.
Yeah, but Moana.
Has a paddle. It's a paddle. What will you do with a paddle?
You can smack your head with it.
It's made out of wood. It's wood.
It's wood.
It can make you die.
They're coconuts. They're coconuts.
It can make you pass out, Hugo.
Yeah, but they're coconuts. Them.
Sarah can make you pass out, Hugo.
I can't.
Okay.
I don't.
He said, okay.
No, Moana can, not me.
Yes, I am still 12 years old.
Say it again, Hugo.
I am still a child. I'm still 12 years old.
You're older than me.
But
I'm
you
9
said
years old.
Moana, not you.
Moana's probably older than you.
I know.
And
What?
you're older than me.
Moana is
Annie.
46 years old.
It's youngest. I don't know
Yes.
about Anindia.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I am the teacher.
Okay. Miss Sarah.
Nah, I'm kidding.
Miss Sarah, can I ask you something? Is it Moana?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do on the website?
Yang mana, Nin? Which one? Share
Apa?
screen. Ketika nggak tahu, nggak ngerti. Sofa lagi. Anin ngerjain yang mana?
Sofa.
Safa.
Langsung ke sini.
What's a sofa?
Nin? Ah, kok yang ini?
I don't
Kok
know.
gitu sih? Yang ngasih kan nggak gitu, Nin.
Nggak tahu, Kak.
Linknya coba yang di chat coba klik sekarang.
See.
I have to put strike, but it's gotta be 8 blocks.
Resume course. Udah
Ini.
selesai.
Udah.
I'm gonna check your screen.
Agak tamat juga, beres deket
Hit
udah.
the guy. Hit the guy. Hit the guy.
Ya udah berarti taruh.
No. Hit the guy. Strike.
Berarti udah
Oh.
beres itu, Nen. Kok banyak banget ya?
Iya, tadi banyak banget. Aku cuma baca sekilas doang.
Astaga, gampang
Wait,
sekali.
wait. Oh.
Ya udah, berarti sekarang bikin yang itu, yang bikin yang
Times move forward. Then dodge. Strike. Turn right. Move
Bikin ya, lanjutin yang kemarin, Kak.
forward. That's too much blocks.
kita cari dulu ya.
Wait. Wait. I want to see it, please. Combine the blocks inside the repeat 2 times block to defeat the Kokomar. Move forward, dodge, strike, turn right, dodge. Remember dodge before. Oh, I think I understand. So you put like the dodge and the strike inside the loop, I think. But then you remember it. You need the dodge and the strike. You need 2, since there's 2 Kokomaras. But then even though you use too much blocks, that's what I'm confused about.
Oke, apa ya, Nin? CSS itu. Oke.
But then when you turn right, you still have to move forward. So how do you do that?
Move forward.
Moana has to do it in the front. Moana is dodging and striking nothing. You need just one more block. Try to add a move forward. Add a move forward. Add a move forward. What will be the difference when you add new move forward? But I don't know.
Sebentar,
Ah.
project.
Oh, I think you only need one loop. Maybe.
Oh, Nin ada yang rame kayak gini. Wah, tunggu. Anin kan jago ya yang gini. I have something really interesting. Wait.
Oh, you could do that.
Kalau Anin mau nyoba ya, ntar. Oh, KTL.
Dodge, strike.
Ini challenging tapi lucu. Ntar. Gimana ya yang waktu itu ya? Wait. Oh, CS.
Wait, what?
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 blocks.
Nin,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's exactly 7. I think you only need one loop block. Then you put it all inside one block, and then you combine and then maybe you turn it into a loop. Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe yes.
gue lupa banget. Ini kereta apinya. Oh, ini minimal dia akan.
If you just turn right, it won't work.
Ini lucu banget ini.
Dodge and strike has to be next to each other.
Bisa dijadiin.
This
ini.
won't work. This won't work at all.
Which one won't work? Aneh.
Maybe that'll work. Why didn't it dodge? I don't understand why it does. Yeah, now I'm so confused.
Dodge, strike. Dodge, strike. Dodge.
Miss Marisa,
Yes, Sarah.
can you give... Oh, Flatbox Froggy. I didn't like this one.
I think this is gonna work.
Can I do...
Yeah, it's gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Coba
Is it gonna work?
Ini rada
Is it
ya
gonna
24
work?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
Strike, strike. Yeah. Turn right.
You make coconut pudding.
I will hit all these coconut-clad warriors.
Hit them. Make them pass out.
Oh, every Kakamora on this barge better watch out. I am Moana Motoni, and those t-shirts are no match for me, my pedal. Yeah, like how Hugo is no match to Moana. Haha.
JavaScript. Oke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
JavaScript.
Remember, you also need to turn right on that specific move right there. Over here and here, you'll need to turn to move forward there and to move forward here.
Nen baca chat ya.
So how do you do that in only 7 blocks? You need to move forward, then dodge, and then strike. Why? Why does Moana not dodge?
Hah? This is for free. Sama ini Kak Cika menemukan link-link yang silakan dicoba ya.
Huh? This is for free. This is for free. This is for Frey. This is for Frey. This is for Frey. What do I do now?
How far have you gone with the last link?
Nothing.
Isn't that you have to?
I was helping Amy. I was watching Amy's screen.
I think you have to classify something, Sarah.
But it's boring.
Okay, you don't like this one. How about
Right.
I'm giving you something?
Yay! Move
Sarah,
forward,
try this for
dodge.
try this barangkali. Apa ya?
Strike. Turn left.
Give you a link.
Forward,
Probably
dodge. Strike. Turn left. Yeah, that was easy. Why is it such a big link?
lesson 13.
Why
Oh,
can't I click?
I-
Oh, come on.
repeat until Kakamura block.
That is just
Kasih
moving.
kan? Kalau Kak Cika sih
Oh,
semua
you have to
bisa kalau-
dodge.
Maksudnya
Blah 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 blah.
Hugo
What
gimana? Hugo?
projects will you
Hugo
pick?
membuat sedih dan senang, oke?
What do you mean sedih dan senang?
Happy and sad.
Who's happy and sad? Oh,
Hugo.
Hugo will be sad if he gets passed out, if he gets knocked out by Moana.
Do you hear it, Hugo?
Hugo will be happy if he
Stop.
gets betrayed. Because
Stop.
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 I will be happy if I go horse riding again.
Few lessons, you'll be learning about conditionals.
Me, not you.
Oh, I need some tissue.
I'll be sad if I go sick, if I become sick.
So how long have you been working for Disney?
I've been working for Disney for 6 months now.
So what do you do every day?
My job is to code interactive games that can be played on the web. The most recent one I contributed to was the Forgetful Fred adventure game with Dory.
Oh, what's that game? So what advice
I
would you
love that game. You're interested
Advice we don't always keep going, no matter how strange it might be.
Ayo, gimana?
The more time you spend with it, the more understandable it'll become. And of course, our code is a great place to start.
What can you tell us about conditionals?
You set a conditional, you give the characters the ability to make a decision. This means that when the character encounters a certain situation or
Ah,
they
benar,
makes
space
a
run enggak sih?
specific action, sometimes conditionals are called if-then
Dancing.
statements, which we will see in the blocks drag and drop in the next set of lessons.
This lesson, an if-then block is available for you to create conditionals. So how often
Listen to you conditional.
Every day.
Yay.
Today, I use conditionals to check what type of data my program was accessing. If the data was the type my program needed, then it would use it to keep it. Try using conditionals to help Moana and Maui battle those
You
Tonga
think of
Moana.
me, you are very cool and tall, Hugo, and Moana will not be able to beat you. Thank you. See, Sarah.
But Moana has a bulletin board.
Look at Hugo's screen.
What do you think of me? Sarah will lose against who's Sarah? Oh,
Sarah, Hugo, Sarah.
somebody in my class is called Sarah without an H.
Misspell.
If answer die, then switch the costume you suck.
You are very cool, Sarah.
If answer equals you are very cool, smiley face, then switch costume to happy.
What do you think of me?
I like your hair. But then what would happen if you do that? Then it switch the costume happy? And what is the difference with costume happy and you suck? That's the only difference?
If you say something bad, it will be sad,
No, be angry.
angry or sad, or hit you so you pass out.
I don't know what to do. I want to do some more security.
Have you opened the link, Sarah?
Yeah, it's
I
boring.
want you to see if it lock your doors. You
But
suck.
then
Lock your
not
doors.
my doors.
Share lock. I'm coming to beat you. Nggak bisa is it boring, Sarah,
Yeah.
for you?
Do
Okay.
cyber security. What do you
You
think
prefer
I'm gonna die? Go die.
security? Okay. Oh,
More
ini tapi
like
ini
answer equals you're ugly and then say
harus bayar, Deng.
you're mean.
We have to pay.
Bad at gaming. I'm gonna crank
Okay,
knife
I'm going to find something else for Sarah
front of your
about
house.
security.
When
Security.
I kill you.
Um,
Oh my goodness, that was so long. You're bad at gaming. I'm gonna crank knives in front of your house when I kill you. How does it have to have a really bad message? Duplicate. What are you gonna make now?
I'm looking something for you. Yeah, wait. Cyber security.
You're drawing something and then
You
two
probably
circles with lines that look like jellyfish. And then robot hand. Wait, what? And then a weird looking line. And then
Ah,
it. I have no idea what that is supposed to
how
be.
about this? Oh, this
And
one.
then covering that spot or that. And then erasing that. That didn't erase. And I'm gonna draw again. And I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna take away and I'm gonna move that. And put it there. Oh, I get those are his hands? Maybe?
Oh, wait. I think I find something for Sarah,
You look weird. Cause like trees don't have hands.
Don't care. My train has a face. Why can't it have hands?
Because it's not connected.
Cyber.
It's evil. This guy's evil.
Sarah, choose something out of this, Sarah. Probably something will.
Especially costing you like 5, you like 5, you like 5. Wait 1 second, wait.
Check it out.
What do you mean you suck 5, you suck 5? Okay, you suck 2, you suck 3, and then you suck 4. How about you suck 5?
Kok bikin banyak banget ya Allah.
And then who are you talking to?
Wait, I have to close the window. It's raining. Wait.
5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. No, 0.5 seconds. Break time. Break time. Let's see. Target attack, maybe. Nope. Never I already played. Several times, maybe. Done. Only two. Said 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mobile games. I could try the cyber awareness challenge. When the current 90s and fall off your house will not kill you.
Have you checked the link, Sarah?
504 getaway timeout. Can't believe
Hello,
it.
enemy.
Okay, I'll try this then.
Wayfinder's instructions. Keep cutting the ropes while dodging starfish using the repeat until rope.
What is this? This. Look at Hugo's mean comment when you say you're bad at gaming. What do you think of me? You're bad at gaming. I'm gonna crank 90s in front of your house when I kill you. What do you mean by the 90s? You mean the 90s song, the 90s costume, the 90s dance? Or do you mean the 90s?
Oh,
Did you know back in the 90s, girls were not allowed to wear pants in public?
I do know that.
Did you know that Annie Smith never mind. Do you know about SDGs? Did you know that Annie Smith Peck was a mountaineer that wore pants in public even though she was not allowed to?
Did you get the death penalty?
What? I don't
New
understand.
revolutionary tech.
What did you?
New revolutionary technologies are still to come.
I don't.
Technologies are still to.
It's
Oh
so
my
loud.
God. What's that?
New revolutionary technologies are still to come. Thanks to Google, you can already pay with your fingerprint, and this is just the beginning. The present, the future, the Fugo. Da da da! Skip session. This is boring.
Make me happy. Add.
How does he look like that?
Which one look like what?
Make me happy. Good things. Mean things.
Hugo is very short. Sarah is bad at gaming.
I am not bad at gaming. I can play.
Play what?
Game.
What
I don't
game do you play, Sarah?
play Genshin because I can't play those games on my laptop. But I do play Roblox, I do play Star Stable, and I do play Minecraft.
Okay.
All right, all right.
Okay. 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 How short are you, Hugo?
I am not the shortest in class.
My friend who was a
I'm
boy
the third shortest.
class.
I'm the third shortest. I bet I'm still taller than you.
Okay, I mean that would make sense because you're 12 and I'm 10.
You're 10?
Yes, I'm 10.
I thought you were 11.
Huh?
You're not 11?
I turn 11 next year.
Ah, you're 10?
I'm 10!
Okay.
And I'm hot! Okay. How to help us identify needs words. Please unschedule an address and human base with update. Why is the guy getting his iPad?
You are very unsmart. Amy, how are you doing?
Imagine being very short and not tall. The boys I know is very, very short. Go. Go.
Great job. You completed Moana wayfinding with code. Congratulations. I hope you
Hey,
enjoyed
look at
coding Moana and
you.
Maui's adventure of those Kakamora
I
warriors.
look at you. I will.
Play again. Keep coding and have fun.
Look at my eyes. Will rust.
Be inspired.
And this.
Oh,
Why
okay.
did you put some stuff in the good things, not just the main things? How about for the mean things?
Moderated gaming.
Aha, got it. Uh, if you like learning so much, try learning about how you're going to jump off that building. I like learning. It's fun. You learn about new things.
I learning about how you're going to jump off that building.
Now,
Okay.
because it's so simple, I already learned about that. You just climb out the building, then jump it off. Done!
We're done.
I'm a visual learner.
What's this? It's not usually like this.
I'm going
Oh.
to on aim.
You can see it.
Why is it like that, Abe?
I
Yes,
have
I
no
can see.
idea.
Why do we have to tilt our head to see it?
There. Now I don't need to twist my head.
All right. I'm going to give you another practice, Amy. Wait.
Wait, traffic?
I think you're going to like this one. Sarah love this one, actually. So I think you'll be too. Where is it? Oh, this one. You can start a new link.
Okay.
There.
Thank you.
Sarah, do you want to do the canoe art with Amy?
What do you mean? Canoe.
Okay, choose one art with code. This one sunny day, I think. Yes. Okay, allow.
Allow or deny?
Allow.
Those cookies look delicious.
Right.
You're the best friend that goes true to. You're very handsome. I'm minor Grace. You're the best at gaming. He goes to toilet at school. But when you're so tall,
Try.
and you can't go through the doors.
You have to drag the one with the blinking yellow dot.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can.
Down.
Yes, I can. Yes, I
Down.
can. I simply can. I can just crawl.
Crawl.
Drag the one, the one with the blinking yellow dot. Amy,
Yeah, I already pressed it.
the first one. Set background color. Yep, that one. Yes. Change for a nice blue sky. Okay. Yep. And then click again. Now draw fill color.
Okay.
Good. Try yellow for a yellow sun. Draw the circles. Radius 100.
Yay.
Nice. Creator. Continue. Create your username. Do you want to create your own or just use what's given? The best person in the whole universe. The best person in the world. Yeah. But I think it's too long. You have to shorten it out a bit. Too long.
How about I want to use my Minecraft name.
Yes, just use it. Summer. Okay.
This is my Minecraft name.
That's nice. What's the best panel name? What's that?
It's good.
Crystal Summer. That's good. A good name. Going to check up on Google. Test good things. Oh, you trust at gaming kok good things sih? You go.
Gak tahu.
Ingat, Cok. Coba. Your glasses look like your glasses look like apa ayo? Google. Ayo, apa? An orange. Tes. Tes dulu. Good things.
No.
Looks like a watermelon. Kok di watermelon? Metal. Roasted metal. Kok good things?
Kaco.
Kaco. Coba kita set ini. Susah robot. Oh,
Okay.
Just gotta put my middle name.
Love you.
Love your. I love you. Delicious hairs.
Good things. How come hair become delicious? I've never I've never heard of.
87% confidence. Go jump off that building.
I mean, it's
Wait,
11%?
only
11%.
Only 11%.
oh, I mean, we cannot set up our own. We have to choose, right? Sarah, for
You do, Fair.
the
but confidence.
Good things. It's good. It's good. Your head looks like a kiwi bird's butt.
oh my God, kiwis bird, but it's like what?
I
I
think
have
choose
never
this
seen.
one.
It's scary.
Super tiny.
Or
Uh,
this.
for the Kano, can we choose our own username, or we have to pick up anything they offer us, Sarah?
Huh?
For the
Oh,
Kano,
this you can choose
can we set up our own?
there, right there. Just type it. Stop living. Stop drunk driving. It's gonna be a good thing. Mean thing. Only
9%
9%.
confidence.
That means you should put more examples, Hugo.
Okay.
Wait, how can
I would love to see
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
what I'm
One.
going
Or
in heaven.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Oh. Must be at least 8 characters.
Mm.
Don't
I
forget
don't know.
the name.
I'm scared I can't forget.
Yay.
Yeah, just make that
Oh,
sound
that's
that you
mean.
can
Okay.
remember.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So easy.
Mm.
70%.
I hope your head gets crushed by a car.
70% recognized as
How
good
come
things.
How come it is recognized as good things?
Ano tao ka?
Because Hugo only put a little bit of examples.
I put 6.
And it's too little.
Ah.
Let me check on
20.
the data set, Google. Show me your sentence. Okay.
Oh wait, I forgot to change this.
Add more examples.
Yes, add more, like 15 each.
You know, in the link before it said like it may even need more than 10.
More than 10. More than 10.
Is it
Google.
more than 10?
Email address? What do you mean email address?
Do you have any email address?
I
Yeah,
have no idea what's my email address.
maybe ask your parents. Is your parents home?
No,
Yes or no?
no,
No. Oh my goodness. Can you talk to them?
no, because they're sleeping.
It says write at least 6 compliments and at
Okay.
least 6 insults.
Okay,
Then
just
write
continue
more.
without logging in. I mean, just get back to the work without logging in. But there is
Oh no. I have an email. No. But then like
you have an email?
I have an email, but I don't know if you can use it. I already used it many times.
I only have to sign up.
Do you know what's your parents' email address?
Or use mine. Wait.
Give them access to the app. Make the journals.
Can you give me? Okay.
Come on, look at Hugo's screen.
Wait.
I hope you're as fresh as a newly sprouted blueberry. I hope you cried in the corner. Wait, I want to try what Hugo is doing and then see if I can do better examples.
Okay.
Do you want to log in? Log in.
Miss Marisa, I want to try
Your
what
username.
Hugo's
Enter your
doing.
username.
Miss
Aim.
Marisa, Miss Marisa, Miss Marisa, Miss Marisa, Miss Marisa, Miss
Yes,
Marisa.
Sarah. Yes, Sarah.
Can I do the machine learning?
Yes, of course. Do you want me to make a username for you? Wait for you.
One time you did, but I don't remember the password.
Oh yes, I will reset it. Okay.
Okay.
Sarah Sulistio.
I hope you cry and the corner collapses.
Sarah, the
So
password.
mean.
The password is on the way, Sarah.
You're so mean. You're so mean, Hugo. How you come up with such bad?
Who goes so mean? Sarah, I have sent you the password. Aim, do you forget the username?
I forgot
Not the
to.
link.
That's the password, Sarah.
I mean the link too. The link too.
Oh, the link to
Summer, wasn't it like Crystal?
Summer Crystal, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What was,
All canals.
and what was the email?
Oh, Sarah, here we go, Sarah. There. Huh?
And what was the email address again?
Oh, okay. Let me my
Let's check. What?
complete. Okay, just continue. I'm going to check up on my email. If there's something I have to approve, then I will.
Go to my projects. Add a new project. Recognizing
Oh, ada.
good and bad.
Oh no!
What's wrong, Hugo?
No, Papa.
Is it working now?
I don't know. I'm adding 11. I am adding 12.
Yay!
Add it up to 15. Add it up. Add it up.
I can't think of any more insults.
All right.
Do you have no idea?
I hope your head gets squashed.
Okay,
with-
let's train. Let's train. Let's train. Okay, good.
Oh my god.
And bad. Okay, let's see if I can do better than Hugo.
Okay.
I never done this actually.
Okay. Sarah is going to do it to compete with you.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
I'm gonna do the basic ones first. You look bad. Okay, fine. I won't compete with you. Haha. I never want to compete with you. I'm doing opposites right now. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ah. Mm.
10 up to 15. Amy.
That's 4 right for bad. And then make it shorter.
Ini udah sampai mana nih?
This is basically bullying.
Yes, it is bullying.
I'm gonna try 6 examples first. I'm gonna see what happens. And if it's good, then I'm not gonna add anymore. But if it's bad, then I'm gonna capybara.
Looks at the sentence Hugo wrote.
Ooh.
Oh my God, I never
What is
imagine saying something like this.
that?
Hugo's
What?
weird.
Hi, I'm not
No,
weird.
no,
You're weird.
no. Okay, I'm always weird. I like chocolate and rice. It's good.
It moves aside.
The amount of dates you got is crazy. What do you mean that's a good thing? You're nice in a capybara. Of
guys,
course
I
you are.
just
What do you
want
mean you
to
got all maidens?
Yes.
add mouse part
Oh
using
man, you look so fresh. You're
yes.
fresh as newly sliced blueberry. That means it's still baby.
Okay, open the mouse tray. Oh, nice. Control every 1 second. Okay. Let's do some. Oh, Control move to X. Open the mouse tray. Of X. Yes. To the yes. Mouse Y. Yeah.
Okay, done 15.
Okay, test it again, Hugo. It should
Learn and test.
okay. It should go. It should do it better than before. I pull up hop after.
Okay, done. I only added 6 and 6. I wonder was a question.
Yes.
Good things, but only 18% confidence.
You are so fresh. You are so fresh.
Man,
My eyes are literally water.
the machine got confused because Hugo use long sentence. Don't you think? What if you make it simple, Hugo?
No.
No.
Simple things are too little. There's too little of simple things.
Okay, whatever you say. Can you show us yours, Sarah? I'd like to see
Here.
yours.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
You're not good. Good things.
Let me think.
Ah,
Can I play with you?
Amy is drawing something interesting.
Bad. 69% confidence. Okay. I obviously need more examples.
huh?
Wait, what? I said can I play with you? And I said bad things. And then Hugo said you're not good at gaming and said good thing.
Yeah, that's why it is. Hugo's machine is going crazy.
I am simply too advanced. It makes me smarter than I am smarter than AI.
I have never seen a machine got confused like this before. That must be your data set must be so confusing, Hugo.
I need to add more examples.
Yes, I am simply too advanced.
The machine cannot read, cannot
Hugo,
understand the data.
have you learned algebra?
No.
What? What grade are you in?
You see, I learned algebra
You
as my next lesson at school.
What grade are you in?
7.
7? I'll learn algebra in grade 6.
What grade are you?
5.
You're grade 5?
Yes.
Then how are you grade 6?
I said I will learn in grade 6.
Oh,
in middle school.
so I learned faster than you.
Yep. What do you mean? You're 12 and I'm only 10.
You haven't learned it yet. You're gonna learn like next year.
Have
I'm
you
gonna
learned
learn like
the order of operations?
what?
Have you learned order of operations? like 6 plus 2 sorry. Like I don't know, maybe
Oh yeah.
10 times 3 minus 2.
Oh yeah. I never do English.
What
So
do
I
you
was
mean
confused.
you never do English? Oh, you never do.
My math isn't English.
Yeah, okay. My school is English.
That makes sense.
We have Indonesian classes instead of English classes.
There's Bindo.
What is window?
It's a pelajaran. It's
I don't know what's window.
bahasa Indonesia.
Why is there mouse in
What?
here?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Miss,
Yes.
Good.
why is
Compliments.
there mouse in
Yes,
here?
Amy, I'm coming.
Why is there
Open the
mouse?
math. Yeah, open the math tray.
Why is it math?
You just add it inside. Yes, you put it there. Change 0 to minus.
Minus.
No, the 0. Yeah, 0 to minus 50. 10 to 50. So it will give you random position. So it will move randomly, like, doing something drawing something abstract or something. You will see the result. Yeah.
Oh, 10 more minutes.
Result you.
Yeah, 50.
10 more
Okay.
minutes, we're gonna be finished, right? Just asking.
Okay, draw circle. Radius 5. Anin, are you okay, Anin? How's the progress?
Okay. Bad.
Totally forgot that I have scratch to do.
Oh, okay. Okay. 3 and then 20. Paint splats. Huh? What's wrong? I'm a creator. Amy, click. Hah? Kok gini ya? Escape, coba. Can you... kenapa ya Summer? Coba. Let me check if I have email here. So I can give you a profile on... No, nothing. Okay, let me check on my email. Marisa, oh. Okay. We have to do it all the... Oh, nice, aim.
What's this?
I don't know, start. What's the result of the previous? Why don't they show us the result?
Do you know, if I ask my teacher what his age is, he'll answer, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Wait, give me a compliment, Miss Marisa.
Okay. And then see if it is
Give me a compliment. Give me a compliment. Give me a compliment.
Already
Miss Marisa, tell me something nice.
did this.
look, I like your hair.
Why do I have to start?
Oh, something else.
You look
Are
great.
good at gaming.
Are we starting all over again, Amy? Or
65% comments. Okay.
Kenapa ya nggak bisa logging on?
And
What's wrong? Do we have to log in? Wait, Aim. Do we have to log in?
bad. 69% comments.
Do you remember your username?
I think I didn't put my username.
That's good.
Summer.
Oh, I'm gonna write you those names.
Like that?
I think last time when it turned on, I just exited. I just exit because I didn't write the name.
Oh,
What? 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 What?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Tell me.
Why are names? Okay.
Alright, I'll tell you.
Marisa.
I'll do your name.
I did my name, it was bad. I did your name was bad.
I think I forgot to enter my
And
name.
Marisa's name is also bad.
something is wrong with
Oh, I misspelled your name.
Coba sign up
My
aja.
name is also bad. My name's bad.
Seiro.
About flawless carrots.
It's mean. Mean things.
That's password. What
You are
password?
mean. You are mean.
Marisa's bad. Sarah's bad. I'm
Give me the
bad.
password. Yes.
You are
Continue.
mean.
That's good. Hugo's also bad.
No, no, I am not mean. I am not mean. See? Oh no. No.
No, this button.
It's good. I am good.
Oh no, I got the password.
I am
No.
good.
Miss Marisa. Well, when I put Marisa is bad. Just Marisa. Sarah's bad. Emmy's bad. And Hugo's bad. But Tiffany is good. And Anindia is also good.
Why mine is bad?
I don't know. So it's gonna be good. No, for me it was good.
Why am I bad?
I don't know.
I'm not bad. You're bad.
I'm also not bad. I was the student of the week.
Okay.
Let me do my full name. Maybe it'll work. I'm so mean. Hug.
Okay, we are safe now.
What
We
does
are
hug
done.
mean? What is hug mean?
Don't forget your username. I'm going to set it up.
Hug is not mean.
Amy, wait. All mail, welcome to Kind of World. Your username is flawless carrots. Okay.
Miss Marisa, can you give me a compliment? Never mind. I'm smart.
Wait.
Good! Yeah! Okay, now I'm gonna say a mean thing.
Why am I mean when I say I'm smart?
You're dumb! Oh, bad! 87 minutes. Yeah, it works.
Okay. This machine is very cool.
Maybe because you put bad examples.
No. I typed Sarah is smart and it recognizes mean things.
And then you put Hugo smart and it was a mean thing. Now that would be a good thing.
See, I'm a good thing. I am a good thing.
Sarah,
I died.
the
Might mean things.
is I'm spelling wrong. Is the best.
Yoo-hoo! 9/11 is mean.
Good, yay. Oh, I know.
God.
They're gonna give you.
I forgot what I'm supposed to do. Yeah.
Okay, I'm done. I think it works now. I'm not sure. I don't care. Okay, back to okay. Now let's make. Let's do. I don't like the app inventor. It's so old and lame.
Lame.
I'm gonna use Scratch Tree.
All right, scratch 3.
Okay, let's see. This will return blah 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 blah.
Looks, is it? Yeah.
Your project will add these blocks, blah 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 blah.
That's you're good too.
Okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Okay. Let's see. Good and bad.
You're incredible.
Add training data. Okay, I don't know. motion, looks, say hello for 2 seconds, and then where's the ding?
Save.
Ask and
Can I
answer.
drink water?
Water.
Can I drink water?
Yes, of course you can, Amy. The lesson's not gonna kill you.
Unless it is gonna kill you.
Okay, Hugo is adding something. Huh? Okay. Where is the screen of everybody? Time is almost up. You have to report in, guys.
I don't know.
Yes. The time is up.
Oh.
One more minute, Amy. One more minute.
Just wait.
Oh, stinky.
What do you mean stinky?
No. What do you mean stinky? Oh no. That ain't good.
Done. It's already 5:30.
Okay. What is the last thing you do? Amy, let me check. I need to check. Okay, we'll go this. How about you, Sarah? Can you show me my screen? Anin mana, Anin? Thanks, you're good too.
What?
What do you think of me?
Yeah, I was starting again.
Dirty scum.
Again.
Okay, next time you have to log in the same username.
Just caught the edge of that thing right there, yeah?
It's so loud.
Can I leave now?
Okay, bye, Amy.
I miss. I
See you
miss.
next week.
Bye.
Bye. What's this, Hugo? What's this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is Sarah. Sorry, Hugo. I was looking at Sarah's screen and I'm wondering what's this. Is it about the link? Yeah, I gave you, Sarah.
Yeah, to targeted attack.
You're bad.
Oh, this is nice. Targeted attack. Let me check. Let me check which the targeted attack. Can we? Oh, okay, I'm going to write down the link for next. Again. Click to play. Click to play. Oh, I see. Skips. How about if we skip?
No.
Oh, this is nice. Quite interesting.
What time? Wait, never mind.
What is it, Sarah?
Alright, bases are covered. The stuff on page 3 indefinitely. What if someone internal, even if it definitely wasn't in you and my team? I never said that. I know, I'm just saying. We want even to give us some.
Oh my god, Hugo lucu banget bisa gitu.
Terus apa?
Look
My
at
goodness,
me.
why is it like that?
Yes, it is like that.
He makes it spinning like crazy.
It's more
When
like
I don't
happy than angry. Like partying.
No, he's cranking 90s. Okay, fine. I'll do that.
It is celebrating Hugo for being so mean.
You're red. See? You see?
Now that is angry. When before it was like partying.
It wasn't partying.
Was like partying.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Says who?
Miss Marisa.
Yes.
You're bad at gaming. You suck.
Whoa, going crazy. Going crazy.
Then when he had to go to the police though?
There's no police.
Yes, there is.
He has a gun.
But the police also has a gun.
But he has a gun.
This is the police. Wait.
This is this is verbal assault. You verbally assaulted him. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's kind of cringe.
I never used the word cringe. And then let's see. Yes, he's black. Boom, 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 boom. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. I do this almost like all the time. Ready, set, and then go.
Hey. Come on, that's cringe.
It's not cringe.
It's cringe.
I never use the word cringe.
Okay, and?
And then cringe sounds like a very, very, very
Fine, I'll just
weird.
delete my thing out of existence.
Just do this.
Gone. Everything is gone.
And boom! And it will still be gone, but there's still some stuff though.
It's all gone. See, I deleted it.
How about that? Okay, now how about this? The color tool. Blah 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 blah.
Oh my God, what's this? Sarah, wipe out all Hugo's work with white.
I did not.
How come it is all
He
white?
also did that too.
You did? Or Hugo?
Both.
Both. Oh my God.
Now that's gone.
Done.
Done.
Please, can you stop? Please. Please, can you stop? Please.
Okay.
Yay. It's time to draw.
I am going to make an eraser.
Alright, stop erasing my drawing.
Okay, I won't erase your drawing. I'll change to the highlighter.
Stop doing don't.
I'm not doing
Don't
anything.
you dare.
And then I'm gonna use the dark blue. I'm gonna use it over here.
Oh my God. What's this?
I'm gonna change it to the lighter blue. Then after that, I'm gonna change it to the brightest blue.
It's the ocean. It's an oceanside view of a cliff.
What? Where's the blue? Why is it only...
It's a stormy night. It's stormy. You see this? This is the waves. Ah, stop!
Stormy night.
Do you like blue?
No,
Why not?
I like green.
Do you like purple?
Okay, yeah.
Do you like red?
Yeah, sure.
Do you like pink?
Okay.
Do you like blue?
Fine. Yeah, I like blue.
Okay. Do you like Ariel?
Who's Ariel?
Ariel is a person.
I don't know who she is.
From Disney?
No, from school.
Of course not.
How come supposed to know someone he never met
Just
or in different school?
okay, fine. Do you like Oreos and rice?
Yes.
It's good, right?
Yes.
You like what was that thing? Marshmallows and grape?
Marshmallows and what? Gravy?
No, and grape.
Grape?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
I don't like it. The grape is too.
I like grapes.
I don't like it with marshmallows.
Oh! Yeah, sure. I like grapes with marshmallows.
I don't. How about unagi sauce and plain crackers?
I like plain crackers.
With unagi sauce?
I like. Wait, what's unagi sauce? I forgot.
It's sauce.
But
It's sauce that you use on unagi.
what is it made from?
Huh?
What's unagi?
Unagi is an eel.
Oh, I know eel. Yes, I love eel. I like eel and plain crackers.
What does you and pink crackers?
What?
What?
There, I drew something.
What?
I drew something.
You
Trying to
drew
screenshot it.
something.
I screenshotted it.
Make your screenshot. I can screenshot too, but okay. Try animal face. Wanna try?
Goodbye. Bye bye, drawing.
And it's still spinning.
He's trying to find out who asked. Oh no, I still have this on 180.
Wow.
180. Nope, 20.
What is he doing?
Oh, here, you suck and you suck too. What's the one? What happened to the one?
Awesome reason. What, what does he expect with us kita dengan kata-kata seumur itu? Hugo masih muter-muter. Allahu Akbar. Oh. So which one is working, which one is not? Click here for more information about this.
I love you.
Thanks, you're good too. Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye all. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye Hugo. Bye Sarah. Bye Annie.
Bye bye. Goodbye. Ho ho.
Here we go.
I forgot.
Bye.
Oh yeah. Bye.
Bye, sayang. Okay.